I'm Kennedy De Silva, born and brought up in Mumbai. My footballing career started as a young boy because my dad was a professional soccer player. He played in the goal. For me, sport is a school of life. I believe that values cannot be better taught than on the ground to any person, anywhere else. Therefore, my philosophy has always been life skills through football. And I'm passionate about it. When I see football, and can ask you, if I give you the ball like this, when you receive it, what is happening? There's communication. There's just a give and take. There's so much that happens on the field. The first thing that happens is learning to win and lose. Know about how good it is to win, but it is more important how to take losses. We are now in the season of the Olympic Games, and therefore we need to also understand that everything is not about the medals. It's about the great participation that we are going to be involved in. So therefore, sport is about that for me. I think initially what we first need to do is get everybody vaccinated, because that would be the kind of benchmark to get the people to come to the fields. Second, definitely we have to maintain all the protocols that the government tells us, because they are important, because we don't want to fight the coronavirus more. We want to shut it off. If there is vaccination at the football field, not only the young people, but those who are down there in the houses, they will come out and they will say, I don't mind taking a vaccine on a football field because that gives me the pleasure of being there, freedom, set free from coronavirus, of course, but also that I get an opportunity to watch more football. Everybody has that in their blood, you see. Goans are crazy for football. And if that can be put over there, if we can have it on the football field for the people, irrespective of the age, but definitely for the young kids, it would be, why should they go to a hospital and then, in the kind of environment that they will be, they're not very happy about it. But at the football field, certainly they will be more than happy to receive that vaccine and want to get themselves, free. आमी गोंयकार काळजीवंत मनशां, पूण फुटबॉल आमच्या रक्तांत आसा.